All right, so let's continue from where we ended. Now we are going to find the averages, maximum and minimum for these three new features that we introduce. So let's go and do that in our summary sheet. So I have it arranged over here. We have the national, rural, and urban, and then all this. So quickly, I put in my equal sign, then I reference my average function. Now I have to go to the range of values I want to find the average for, which is in my worksheet. So here, let's see, let's go to the top, start from the top. That's I2. Now you are control shift and then the down key or down arrow. You select all the range of values that you want to find the average for, and then you press enter. And this is what we have over there. And then in a like manner, you come here. Now, I always like the easy way out. So I'm going to copy this particular side of the formula, which will appear in the next two as I find my maximum and my minimum, so that I can easily copy them or paste them in. So I put equal sign here, maximum, this is it. Now I'll paste what I copied, which is Control V, and then I click enter. That's my maximum. Then I come to the minimum, reference, minimum, here it is, and then paste Control V, what I copied is the range of values that we are finding the, what do you call it, the minimum for. So I don't want to be going forth and back. That's why I copied it the first time to make it easier. So enter should give us the value. Then we come to the rural annual rate of change. Let's see the average also there. So you cannot drag it down because the values or the references are not the same. So I'll enter here also, go to average. Where's my average? Here it is. Oh, it's referencing something that I don't think is what I want. So I'll clean it, go back, equal to average. So I choose my average. Now let me go to the values that I want to reference. They are here in J. They are in J. So click here, hold Shift Control or Command Control, the down arrow, and then we select the range. You should have your average. This is what it is. Now you will see that here we dealt with I, and then we are on what? J, and the next one will be what? Q. So if you copy the formula and then you want to paste, it is easy. I can put mine, I can just drag this here and then get into it and then change. So I have I, J, and what? K. So I put K here and then K here. That means I'm looking at the next column. Okay. And then boom. You could see that that has changed. So here I can now reference this one. If I pull it here, I'll get wrong values because it is calculating average all the way. But I'm not looking for average in this case. So I'll clean the average and then look for maximum. Choosing enter, I'm done. I come here, I'll clean this, put in max, this is it, enter, and then like that, these other two will also be filled. Okay, and then we are done with it. So next up, we are moving to the next thing on our slides. Thank you.